If you use Stripe to manage recurring subscriptions, failed payments can lead to canceled subscriptions and lost revenue. Fortunately, Stripe includes several settings that can help reduce payment failures automatically. In this tutorial, I'll show you the essential settings you should check in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Settings, then navigate to the Billing section. The first setting to review is Smart Retries. Enable Smart Retries, so Stripe can automatically retry failed payments at the times when customers are most likely to have sufficient funds available. This feature can significantly improve successful payment recovery. Next, check your subscription retry schedule. Make sure Stripe is configured to retry failed payments multiple times before canceling a subscription. This gives customers enough time to update their payment information or resolve temporary issues with their bank. Now, enable automatic payment method updates. This feature allows Stripe to automatically update eligible expired or replaced cards when card networks provide new payment details, reducing failed payments caused by outdated cards. You should also configure customer email notifications. Stripe can automatically notify customers when a payment fails and remind them to update their payment method before their subscription is canceled. Another useful setting is the Customer Portal. By enabling the Stripe Customer Portal, subscribers can securely update their payment methods, billing information, and subscription details without contacting your support team. Finally, review your subscription cancellation settings. Instead of canceling subscriptions immediately after the first failed payment, consider allowing several retry attempts before ending the subscription. This helps reduce unnecessary customer churn. By enabling Smart Retries, automatic card updates, email reminders, and the Customer Portal, you can recover many failed payments automatically and improve your subscription retention. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with any other Stripe tutorials you'd like to see.